is Ankita. I'm back with Good News Pune at a restaurant called the Basil Deck, and it is located on the lens of Prabhat Road. I've heard so many good things about this place that I'm so much excited to try this. So let's go inside.
Can I have a name, please?
Ankita.
Okay. And table for?
One. Oh, hi Nikhil. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. See, I'm so happy कि ओनरच मला रिसीव करायला आले. And I really like your place, the illustrations and the whole overall ambience. I just wanted to take a better look of your place. It seems so good.
Please. So this is one of the sections that we have. We have
Oh.
divided it into 3 sections. This is the second section where we have group tables
Nice.
which can be divided also.
Okay.
So you can have a small party there or something.
Right.
Like that.
So basically, this section is for the
For the
Groups.
groups, yeah, you can say for the groups.
yeah.
And we can, it's all movable. So, you can have a big party over here for about 50 people.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the whole.
I like the windows thing you have made because it is keeping the air flowy and all.
Yes,
it's
so
good.
that's the whole.
And it is giving me the feel of Prabhat Road and the trees.
Yeah, so that is the whole point we look to carry forward everywhere. In our first outlet also, we were in ABC Farms,
Oh,
so we had a lot of greenery around us. The second outlet we had in Marketer, the one we have in Marketer, so we have a nice open space over there as well. So we just look to carry forward that trend. We have one more section.
there
So
too.
this is our PDR,
Okay,
so the private dining room.
nice.
So we have a capacity of about 15 people over here.
Nice.
A nice single table.
Yeah, it gives me a feel of a lunch that I'm having in a palace or a haveli.
Thank you.
And the olive is going really well. And it is differentiating with the other
Yeah, so
colours
that is
as
what
well.
we wanted to do over here. So we wanted to take it a notch above what we already have.
Okay.
So that is why the acrylics on both sides
Nice.
and the nice table. So we have the nice color as well, and we're a good cozy feel over here.
Yeah. Now, what are the things you would like to share with me which will make people to come and visit places?
See, the main core of our restaurant is the food, and then we revolve around it. We add in the ambience and the openness of the
Yeah.
place.
So that's important because with food people come for some kind of a comfort.
It's an experience
Yeah,
basically.
right.
So when you're having food, the small bits, they add up to your.
Right. Because I will think, okay, the food was good, but I didn't get that good vibe. But
Exactly.
it's like an add-on to my food. So
Exactly.
food is obviously important.
Yeah.
So now that you have talked about the food so much, can
Right.
you just guide me with something that I can have?
Let's start. Yes, definitely.
So finally मी बसली आहे माझ्या जागेवर and Nikhil has also suggested me few things. Let me place my order now. Excuse me.
Three more pounds of this.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, this looks very creamy, like the name suggests. I am going to try it. It's amazing. This is amazing. It's very hot, but I cannot stop. Oh, it rhymed. Before talking, I just want to take another bite. This is very good. Really good. And the paneer with the pesto sauce, I have tried it for the first time. But the combination goes really well. मला पेस्टो सॉस जास्ती आवडला याच्यातलं कारण का या आणि त्याच्यामध्ये बेसिलचा खूप छान फ्लेवर आला आहे म्हणजे नॉट व्हेरी ओव्हर पॉवरिंग ऑल्सो बट राईट आला आहे एकदम छान आणि मी पेस्टो नेहमी पास्ता बरोबर सो पनीर बरोबर इतका छान लागू शकतो हे मला आजच कळलं आहे.
बेसिल एक स्पेशल तवा सब्जी.
So as the name suggests, special tawa bhaji. So it has a lot of vegetables as you can see and very less Punjabi type of a gravy which is also rich like it has good flavors of cumin and other masalas. So overall I liked it. It's good. Oh, finally my pasta is here. I'm already drooling over this. It has a nice aftertaste of nutmeg powder. So that what makes really good pasta. That's what I feel. And I love broccolis in pasta. And if you can see this, the broccoli is very green. That means it was freshly boiled or freshly stir fried. So that's what I like about this the most. And I cannot differentiate obviously between the 4 cheese that has been put in the pasta, but it's very rich, very creamy, and ह्या 4 प्रकारचे cheese आहेत. The brownie is very chocolatey and fudgy. And I like the texture as well. So it's not like spongy types. And the original vanilla ice cream obviously goes well with the chocolate sauce and the brownie. As you can see, it's very tempting आणि माझे team members पण अगदी डोळे लावून बसलेत त्याच्यावर. They can't wait. So before saying goodbye, I just had a question while coming. So I wanted to know what are you planning for this space?
So it's going to be we are planning to make this place an all-day diner anyways.
Oh.
So we'll start at 7:30 and we'll go up till 11. So basically this will give a nice breakfast and an evening snacks kind of area where we'll do an exclusive menu.
Okay.
That will be our mocktail counter over towards the end.
Nice.
Mocktail and coffee counter.
Yeah.
And this will be a nice breakfast area where people can come chill and
Yeah.
so that's it.
Nice.
So that is what is coming up.
Okay, all the best for your plans and thank you for having me here.
Thanks a lot.
It
Thank
was
you
a
very
lovely
much.
experience. I really loved the food.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks. So I'm done here, guys. I was with Good News Pune and Pune Eat Outs here, and I would extend my thank you to both of them. Thanks for giving me this experience and having me here. Bye.